I don't know how much water is supposed to go in there. Fill it up. This for like stuff I don't have to wash a whole lot of clothes. If I want to wash something out, I have to use my damn hands, but
Well,
I just wanted to play with it. You getting it?
yeah. How much was that?
I think I paid 13 or
Oh.
I didn't pay $35 or something.
Oh.
Okay, now it didn't say how much water to put, so I'm just gonna put that like this. I don't know.
No manual?
The manual, let me read it. Hold on.
Oh boy. That's temu
Let's
for
see
you.
the cookies. Look at the cookies I designed. I got chocolate chip and I got sugar. And I mixed it.
That's nice.
Alright, let's see what it says. I can't read. Please put a clean water directly into the washing machine in the wash bucket. The injected water in moderation. Don't in too many. Don't put too much in.
Don't put.
Please do not.
Oh.
Will be higher than 60 degrees of hot water directly into the washing bowl.
Yeah. Broken English.
Right.
Temu.
Yep. Keys functions is indicated. Long press for following. What is it say? I don't know what the hell it say. Hold on. It's a long press for 2 seconds. Okay. I guess these are the buttons. What the hell? Here.
Oh. Oh. Now you grabbing on my pants.
Say hi, brother.
Hey.
You don't wear diapers, Lonnie.
I don't wear diapers. Sorry.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. Piece of here. I'll put it for you. Oh, shit. Just washing.
Nice.
You want to see it again?
Yeah. You usually stopped it.
I stopped it or it stopped?
It stopped.
Oh, it's doing it itself. It's going backwards and forward. Counterclockwise and clockwise. Oh,
Yes.
shoot. Okay, let's see how this goes. Hey. And I got a spin button. Hey, mama. Come on. Come on.
That's it.
Up. Come on. Up. Da-da-da. Look what I got. Look what I got. Cookies! Cookie. You want ice cream with your cookies?
Sure.
You can lift it up, Casey. Here, just. I want to get water everywhere. Oh, you can go ahead. You can lift it. You can get us ice cream.
I'm done. That's all I want to do.
And it's on Temu if y'all want to buy it.
No.
If people want to buy it.
Yeah. That's true.
They wash while we clean.
Mm-hmm.
Underwear, shirts, whatever. Water coming out?
I thought it was.
Oh.
Okay, that's enough.